This exercise is called Sumo Calf Raise. The muscle groups we will be working are calves. What I want you to do to start off with, put your feet shoulder width apart. Then I want you to walk your toes out to the side, creating a 45-degree angle, okay, with your feet. And what you're going to do here, you're going to slightly bring your momentum and weight forward up for the toes. I want you to extend all the way up to the tippity top. Once you get to the top, I want you to hold it for about 2 seconds, squeezing those calves as hard as you can. All right, we're getting a nice deep flex in there. And then instead of just coming straight down, I want you to control yourself coming down. All right, it's going to work that calf muscle a little more. Find a nice comfortable pace. All right, there's no rush. Take your time. I would rather you come up to the top, squeeze, come back down, nice and smooth, and get more of that calf flexed and working than just going up and down. All right, control it. Hold it for a couple seconds and keep your pace. This is one of the many exercises you will experience in WebFitness. That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now. Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count of it. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have my progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you, and that's all here at WebFitness.